In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and fix the issue where your email message wasn't delivered to a Gmail address due to an address not found error. This problem can be quite frustrating, especially when you're trying to communicate urgent information. But don't worry, I'll guide you through resolving this issue step by step so you can ensure your messages reach the intended recipient without any hitches. First, let's address what might cause this address not found error in the first place. Essentially, this message indicates that the email address you're trying to reach is non-existent or misspelled. There are a few common mistakes that can lead to this problem, such as incorrect domain names or simple typos in the email address itself. It's important to double-check the recipient's email address for any errors before assuming something more complex is at play. To begin troubleshooting, the first thing you should do is verify the email address. Check for any obvious errors such as misspellings or wrong domain names. It's surprisingly easy to overlook a minor mistake, especially if you're typing quickly or the name is complex. Ensure you're using the correct format, like username@domain.com. If the email address seems correct, try reaching out to the recipient via another method to confirm the address. Sometimes an email address may have been recently deactivated or changed, and having this information can save you a lot of time. The next step is to consider DNS issues. This involves ensuring that your own email settings and the recipient's domain are properly configured. If you're sending from a business or custom domain, it might be helpful to consult with your IT department to make sure all settings are up to date and correctly configured. If you're sending via a personal email, you can check your email provider's help site for guidance on proper configuration. If you've verified that the recipient address and your settings are correct, you should check if there are any problems on Google's end. Occasionally, Google's email servers might temporarily be unable to deliver messages. You can visit Google's status page to check for any reported outages or service issues that might be affecting email delivery. Finally, if none of the above solves the issue, consider contacting your email service provider for additional help. They may be able to offer more specific insights or solutions that are tailored to your account and any unique issues it might be encountering. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the address not found problem swiftly. Keep these tips in mind anytime you encounter similar issues, and you'll save yourself the frustration of missed communications. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more handy guides like this one.